This is Laura catching a big fish. Watch this. Ooh, look at this.
That is massive. That is massive.
She has a massive fish.
Oh!
No, don't be wrong.
He is big!
No, don't. It'll stay.
Look at her bending a rod.
Ooh, that's okay.
Ooh, she got a bent rod.
There you go.
Keep him off that barrel.
You might have to get it.
Going back around.
Oh shit, something's got mine.
Put your damn phone.
No, I'm videoing this.
Woo! Guacamole. Where you at? I see you. I want to see you.
Oh.
Just on the boat. Oh, we got leader. We got leader. Where is he at? Come on.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Fucker. Shit.
That's a bull red.
Bull red.
Golly.
We're gonna have to team. We're gonna have to team it, brother.
I'm trying. I'm trying to help.
Come on.
That's okay.
He a bigger nut.
That's okay. Motherfucker.
Honey, I'm videoing. Woo. Look at it. Show it. Show everybody.
Holy cow!
Hold on. Where is it?
It's on the ground. It looks like a shark.
Oh my god, she caught a shark. Woo. Adios.